Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I'm going to explain my recent trade, which I took on June 12th and made 37% return in just 10 trading days. So this is stock. Name of stock is Vatek Webek Limited. This is one day time frame chart. Here with this one. Let me take to 1 more week. This is 1 week time frame. See, the stock had been in downward trend since December 2024, and it came down to this low, that is around 1035 level, and then from here it took support. Let me take a 1 day time frame. So it took support at this level. Took support at this trend line. Came down. Took support from this line. It came down. Took support from this line, and broke this previous support zone. Resistance zone. Broke this zone. It make high at this level. At this previous resistance zone. This is previous resistance zone. It came to this zone, and from here it resisted and went down and took support at this previous resistance zone. Let me draw retracement. It took support at this 0.5 level. From here it bounced back and took out this previous resistance zone, make the high up to 1.6 level and came down. So I was hoping to take support from this level. So I was waiting for some signal. So I went for some signal for my entry. For 4 hour time frame. This is 4 time frame. And I went for 2 hour time frame. It came down to this previous resistance zone, took support, took out this liquidity, and for my confirmation I went further down to 1 hour time frame. So this is 1 hour time frame. It took support. Seller once again tried to push price further down, but it failed. Once again it came, it failed again, and there was a big bullish candle on Friday. June 12th. So this candle was my entry candle, my confirmation candle. So I did enter from this level, I enter from this level
right over this green bullish
candle.
So my stop loss
right below this
support zone, that
was around 1500. 7 level.
My entry
My entry 1555 level, and
that's my initial target.
This was my initial target.
Let me take you to
bigger time frame. That is 1 time frame.
This 1 day time frame.
This 1 day time frame. This level.
Long movement, right?
First target. My first target.
It broke this level on
Friday 19.
Broke this level, make the high. Again, once again, it
broke this high. And on Thursday, that is 25 June,
at this level.
I exited at this level. Let me take you to one more time frame for my exit logic.
See here, there was a lot of rejection.
On
1 hour time frame.
25 June. So I went for 15 time frame for my exit. This is 15 minute time frame. Price broke this previous high. Once again, it reached up to this 2150 level, and from there it rejected. So after breaking this level, that is 2147 level, at the pullback at this green candle, 2145 level, I exited. Total profit I made was around 37.8% return in just 10 trading days. That was I entered on Friday 12 June and exited on
Thursday 25 June. So this is the logic behind
my entry and exit for swing trading.
I hope you enjoy my video, and
thank you for watching.